When removing or installing studs, it's important not to damage the threads. This new kit from Laser Tools lets you remove studs from cylinder heads, etc. without damaging them. It also lets you install new studs tightly and firmly without damaging the new stud threads. Let's remove a stud. First, choose the correct size of remover. 4 sizes are provided, covering the most common head and manifold stud sizes. Screw on the remover until the outer nut section reaches the stud tip. Tighten the inner and outer sections of the remover together. Now turn the inner section anti-clockwise until the stud is removed. The stud remover grips the stud firmly without compressing or damaging the threads. When fitting a new stud, it needs to be firmly seated, and again, we don't want to compress or otherwise damage the threads. Screw the correctly sized installer onto the new stud until it reaches the internal ball and won't screw on any further. With the installer now locked firmly onto the stud, screw the stud into the stud hole. Make sure the stud is tight and firmly seated, then unlock the installer with the supplied hex key. The installer can now be easily removed, leaving clean, undamaged threads on the stud. The new stud remover and installer from Laser Tools. Available now from your nearest stockist.